Hello, this is Michael from the Pierce County Beekeepers Association, and this is a quick video to show administrators, web administrators, how to group the board member list. Right now it's just a big mashup of all the board members, and what I want to do is group these by voting members versus non-voting, etc. So recall that the page itself is built by a plugin called Team Manager, and it's located here, Team. So the first step is to create some groups, and right now we don't have any groups, so let's create one called Officers. And then I'll create two more groups, one for the voting committee members and then for the other committee members. All right, so now that I've got these three groups created, right now there's no team members assigned to them. We're going to assign team members to each of those groups. So if we go to the team, which is all the board members, let's go ahead and assign the officers, which is the secretary, treasurer, vice president, and the president. And we are going to edit those, assign them to the officers. And then I'll go through and add the other individuals as well to their respective groups. Okay, now that that is done, if we look at the team groups again, we'll see we've got the three groups and some number of members in each of those groups. So now we're going to create the shortcode to stick into the page, and there's actually a shortcode generated here. So let's select that, and let's do the first shortcode, which is the officers, and we're going to display them as a grid is fine, and let's use a circle and post thumbnail. So here is the shortcode that was generated based on these options. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to copy that and then just move it or paste it in to the board member page. So here is the previous shortcode. We'll delete that in a second. And here's the new shortcode. And what I want to create also is a title, so when people look at this page and they see that group, they'll know who that group is. And let's delete this one now. And let's just take a preview and see what this looks like so far. There's the officers, and it lists the 4 officers. Great. So now I'm going to add the next 2 groups right beneath there. All right, now I got them just about added. I basically just copied the previous shortcode and pasted it in here. It's the same shortcode except for the category. And let's fix this last one, then we'll take a look at it. All right, let's preview these and see how this looks. There's the officers, committee chairs with voting, committee chairs non-voting. Excellent. Looks good. So we'll go back and let's go ahead and publish this. So that is how you modify the shortcodes to get multiple groupings of the teams. Hopefully this was helpful.